Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Roses are special and here in this video I am going to share some tips so that you can grow and enjoy lots of flowers on your roses. I do the same thing every year and this is how it was looking last year. Again, this is the footage from June 2022, which is actually summer. Here is one of my hybrid rose plant which is in a bad stage. I want to say everything honestly. See, in my place which is Assam, India, most of the hybrid roses do well till around June and July and in winter. After that they don't perform well. It's because of two reasons. Number one, the high temperature and number two, high humidity. Hybrid roses need warm temperature and dry climate and that's why they usually do well in winter. Let's start everything step by step. Step number 1. As a starting, I am going to do hard pruning on my plant. Here again two important things to note. Number 1. The ideal time to do this thing is when there is a minimum temperature difference between daytime and nighttime is around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. Right now it's ideal for me and that's why doing it. But please do according to the environment in your place. Number 2. Hard pruning is not the best option if you are from tropical places like India as it may cause dieback disease on rose plant. Anyway, no worry, I would show you what to do next. But still if you are worried, please avoid doing hard pruning and aim for soft pruning. As you can see, I have pruned my plant very hard. Pruned all the branches and made them short. I believe you have already observed that I pruned this branch above the new shoot. Please try to do the same thing for all branches if possible. Step number 2. I am going to repot my plant and this time going to use a much bigger pot. The size of the pot is 14 inch wider and 14 inch deeper. You can use a smaller pot if you like. For example, 10 inch wider and 10 inch deeper. Let's take out the plant from the pot. For potting soil mix, taking 60% normal garden soil and rest 40% vermicompost. Step number 4. It's time to repot and here we need to use few important components. The first one is 50 grams mustard cake powder. The second component is 50 grams bone meal. Third component is 30 grams neem cake powder. Please note that I have added all the components at the bottom layer and the plant is not going to get all these components very soon. So it's absolutely fine if we apply little bit higher dose, which is actually I am doing. We are also going to add some more components, but before that, let's fix the plant. Alright, here we are going to use 3 more components. The first one is Biovita seaweed extract. The dose is 5 grams. The second one is Epsom salt. Using 10 grams means 2 teaspoons. It's going to help the plant to produce large green leaves and most importantly, Epsom salt helps any plant from transplanting shock. Means whenever we repot a plant, they always get a shock which is known as transplanting shock. Epsom salt helps to reduce it. As we have pruned the roots of the plant, it's a good idea to use it. Finally, the third component is Trichosp. It's an organic fungicide and it's going to protect the roots from many fungal diseases. Roses are special and that's why we need to arrange special treatment. The dose is 5 grams for 1 pot. If you like, you can also mix this with 1 liter water and then apply directly in the soil. Alright, we are done with 4th step. Let's take a look at the 5th important step. As I did hard pruning, there is a high chance of getting affected by dieback disease. To prevent this, we need to use fungicide. For that, I am using SAF. The dose is 2 grams in 1 liter water and then spraying everywhere on the plant. Basically, these are the important things to do on our roses for more flowers. Other than this, please try to feed your plant at least once in 25 to 30 days. The next important thing is to keep applying the pesticide on regular basis. For that, we can use Theta pesticide at least once in 7 to 10 days. It's a bioorganic product and works really well on roses. For example, leaf curl disease is quite commonly found on roses. By using Theta and doing some other things, this can be easily treated. For more info, please do check out the next video and see the 100% result with many updates. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.